Have you ever wondered how sunflower oil is made? Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel No Logic. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of sunflower oil production. From the vast fields of vibrant sunflowers to the golden liquid we use in our kitchens, join us on this journey to discover how sunflower oil is made. The journey of sunflower oil begins in expansive fields where sunflowers thrive under the sun. These beautiful plants are not just pleasing to the eye, they're a vital source of nutritious oil. Farmers wait until the sunflower heads turn brown and the seeds are mature before harvesting. Timing is crucial as it ensures the seeds contain the maximum amount of oil. Harvesting typically takes place using combine harvesters, which efficiently cut and collect the sunflower heads. The seeds are then separated from the plant material, ready to be processed into oil. Once harvested, the seeds undergo a thorough cleaning process to remove any debris, dust, or damaged seeds. This step ensures only the highest quality seeds are used for oil extraction. After cleaning, the seeds are dried to reduce moisture content, which helps in storing and processing them effectively. Advanced drying machines circulate hot air to dry the seeds, preserving their oil content and preventing spoilage. With the seeds prepared, the next step is oil extraction. There are two main methods: mechanical pressing and solvent extraction. In mechanical pressing, seeds are crushed in large machines that apply immense pressure, squeezing out the oil. This method is often preferred for producing cold-pressed, high-quality sunflower oil. Alternatively, solvent extraction involves using a chemical solvent to dissolve the oil from the seeds. This method is efficient for extracting maximum oil content, especially in large-scale production. After extraction, the crude sunflower oil undergoes refining to improve its taste, color, and shelf life. The refining process includes several key steps: degumming, neutralization, bleaching, and deodorization. Degumming removes impurities like phospholipids, while neutralization reduces free fatty acids. Bleaching uses natural clays to lighten the oil's color, and deodorization removes any unwanted odors or flavors. With the oil refined and purified, it's time for bottling. The oil is carefully filled into bottles, ensuring quality and consistency. Automated machines label and package the bottles, ready for distribution to supermarkets and stores worldwide. Sunflower oil is renowned for its light flavor and high smoke point, making it a versatile choice for cooking, frying, and baking. It's rich in vitamin E and low in saturated fats, contributing to a healthier lifestyle. From crispy fries to moist cakes, sunflower oil enhances the taste and texture of a wide range of dishes. And there you have it, the incredible journey of sunflower oil from seed to bottle. This golden oil not only enriches our meals, but also represents a commitment to sustainable agriculture and innovation. Thank you. Please support my channel, like, comment, and subscribe.